What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today me and Alyssa are heading over to one of our school locations. We're going to clean out the products, we're going to clean out the money, and that's the only location that we have to go to today. But maybe we can just pick up the camera and just film the rest of our day. I don't know what we're going to be doing. Every day is totally random. It's going to be more type of a vlog / vending machine collection. But at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys all the money that we've collected so far from the schools, and it should be pretty good. 8 minutes away, and this is actually a newer location I got this location right before everything closed down, so I've got no idea how it's going to perform. I don't even know if there's going to be any money at all inside of it, but yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Boy is still full. Forgot the Tupperware box, so now we only have bags. It's not gonna fit.
Get my hand in it.
Alright, that was a pretty disappointing collection. What do you think, Alyssa?
Yeah, it was full.
So much product went to waste. Oh my gosh. But I guess we'll wait till next year. Hopefully next year it's better. And hopefully next year it opens up when school's actually supposed to open up. And whoever thought I'd be wanting schools to open up. Times have changed for sure. I think we're gonna head home now. We just got back to the house. We're gonna count up the money we made today. It's only a little bit, but after we count this up, we're gonna go and grab the rest of the money that we've collected from, I believe, like maybe 25 machines. So we're gonna add that up and get you guys the total on how much we've pulled from the schools and everything so far. So here is the money from the location we went to today. Very sad pull, but we're gonna count it up right now and get you guys the total. Take your guesses on how much this is. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're gonna count it up. Be right back. Alright, so if you guessed $39.80, you were correct. $39.80 is what it was. Like I said, really small, but I mean, it's whatever. So now we're gonna go inside and add up the rest of the money, which it should be a lot. How much you think is in there?
Like everything together?
Everything together.
Maybe 3,000?
3,000?
No. My exact guess is 21. No, 25.
2,500? I think we have, like, I'm gonna guess $2,071. We'll be right back. We're gonna go grab the money. Alright. That is all the coins from the machines. This bag and this bag are filled with ones. And then we got 30 bucks right here. That also went along with the vending machine. If you guys haven't watched the other video, this 20 came from, we went to a thrift store and we gave them some ones in exchange for a 20, and then the 5s came out of the vending machines. So yeah, right now by looking at this, we got this big box of, there's nickels and dimes on the top, and then the whole underneath is all quarters. This thing is super heavy, like so heavy. And then if you guys want to look in here, the money, there's that. And then this boy is like a football. It is filled, exploding with ones. So that and that. Take your guesses on how much you think all this is. The money, the coins, all of it. I guessed what, 271? You guessed 2,500. Let's see how close we are to it. So yeah, start counting it up. Did you guys take your guesses? Take your guesses, take your guesses. Alright, so the total from, I'm not sure how many machines, I think it was like 25, is $2,019. There's the coins, there's the cash. I mean, $2,000 isn't that bad. I mean, it was a pretty decent amount of machines. I still have like 10 more I haven't collected from, because I haven't been able to get in contact with the actual people that work at the school. The other places I've had to coordinate, when I can go and, times and stuff. But I'm still waiting on like 10 more. Hopefully I can get in there before the year is over. But yeah, that's it for today's video. It was probably a pretty short one. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. I'm trying to get back consistent with just posting, even if it's not vending related or money making related. I just want to be posting something for you guys. We enjoy making the videos. We just love the support. We thank you guys so much. Yeah, please drop a thumbs up on the video. I know I don't ever say that, but please do it. It helps out a lot. Also subscribe if you haven't already. 90% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, which is crazy. Yeah, please do that. And we love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.